Plenty of people will ask me, how do I actually start working in the game industry and do it all purely online? Well, the real answer to that is you can't really get any good gigs purely online. If no one knows who you are and no one met you in person, then you're not going to get very far. Yes, there are websites you can go to start networking with developers. Yes, there are Slack groups and all sorts of online communities, and you should join them and you should become a part of them. But the reality is the best gigs will come to you if you actually start meeting people in person. This is incredibly important. I already have courses up online that teach you how to do this. You can sign up for my newsletter to get that. It's so crucial that if you don't meet anybody, if you just sit in your cave, which is all I want to do, I don't like talking to people, I get it. If you just sit in your cave 24/7, hoping that gigs will come to you, nothing's ever going to come of it. And the best projects are given to people who other developers trust. And they'll only be able to build that trust in you if you're meeting people out in person, going to actual game development meetups in your city or in your country, wherever it is you are. Doing your best to make it to those will make a huge career difference. So if you enjoyed that game audio FAQ, please make sure to subscribe and click the little bell so you get notified, literally what every other YouTuber on the planet tells you to do. And also sign up for my newsletter where I give you access to 2 free courses that'll teach you how to work, negotiate, network, and get paid in the game industry.